The Florida Department of Transportation District 6 State Road 826 I-75 Express Lanes project is a key link to the Regional Management Lanes Network that will connect State Road 826, I-75, I-595, I-95, the Florida Turnpike, and the Homestead extension of the Florida Turnpike to address congestion relief and future vehicular growth, improve highway safety, address future noise levels, and enhance hurricane and other emergency evacuations. The proposed project, also known as Palmetto Express, will provide a corridor of over 13 miles of uninterrupted express lanes to the community. For this major project, the Dragados and Lochner Design-Build team have mobilized the most experienced human resources within their companies and brought together their experience and expertise, accrued in designing and constructing tolled roadways all over the world. Dragados has already successfully undertaken similar challenges to those proposed by the Florida Department of Transportation, such as District 4's $1.2 billion I-595 Corridor Roadway Improvements P3 project. Brief project description. In State Road 826, the project consists of the construction of new express lanes in both directions in the median of the current highway by widening the roadway and making improvements to frontage roads on both sides. The existing State Road 826 platform is widened on each side, achieving a final section with 5 general-purpose lanes and 2 express lanes in each direction. In I-75, 2 express lanes will be added in the existing median. One of the singular points of this project is the northern link between State Road 826 and I-75, where the connection occurs between the 2 highways through the use of an overpass. This project also includes other ancillary highway elements, including, among other things, drainage, signage, lighting, ITS, and tolling. The Dragados and Lochner Design-Build Team Proposal. The Dragados USA and Lochner Design-Build Team's proposal describes how the project objectives of congestion relief, minimizing impacts, collaboration and coordination, expediting schedules, and improving safety will be successfully addressed in our design and construction proposal. We emphasize the importance of keeping businesses fully operational during construction and maintaining access for residents, thus preserving the vitality of the community. A detailed study was performed to discover the project's issues and to develop an intimate understanding of the conditions along the State Road 826 I-75 project. As a result of this study, our MOT divides the project into different construction segments. As shown in the diagram, based on the Florida Department of Transportation's previous success segmenting and alternating construction areas on previous SR 826 reconstruction, the Dragados Lochner Design-Build team will apply a similar approach by organizing work on the SR 826 I-75 corridor into 6 construction segments. MOT phasing is in conformance with the Florida Department of Transportation's requirements and conceptual plans. The SR 826 segments will be constructed in 3 phases. Phase 1. This phase entails frontage road widening, ITS work including fiber optic backbone, sign foundations, barrier walls, and SR 826 outside widening. Phase 2. Traffic will be shifted to the newly widened outside area to allow works at the median. Phase 3. Milling and resurfacing along the corridor will be done with implementation of lane closure in non-peak hours, most of them at night. The I-75 segment will be constructed in 3 phases too. Exterior widening of existing I-75, construction of the express lanes in the median, and milling and resurfacing of existing general use lanes. Concurrent work activities will begin in the least complex segments, segments 1, 3, and 5, beginning with sound walls and frontage roads. This will allow additional time to complete the design of the more complex SR 826 I-75 express lane connection within Segment 2, which will take place concurrent with Segment 4. Finally, Segment 6, at the project's southern limit, will take place after completion of the ongoing SR 826-SR 836 interchange to avoid further impacts to this highly congested area. Alternative technical concept number 2. Realignment of the connection of I-75 and SR 826 express lanes. This proposed alternative technical concept, or ATC, is the realignment of the two express lanes between SR 826 and I-75. This alternative extends the SR 826 express lanes further to the north, about 1,450 feet within the median of SR 826, before diverging off onto a new alignment going over the southbound lanes of SR 826, and then subsequently traverses under the existing eastbound lanes of the SR 924 main line and existing ramp to tie into the median of I-75 at grade. The express lane overpass bridge will consist of 4 spans using integral piers and no straddle bents. In order to accommodate the piers without straddle bents, it will be necessary to relocate the southbound lanes of SR 826 to the eastbound lanes of the SR 924 ramp. This realignment of the southbound lanes will meet the 2040 SR 826 master plan. This proposed ATC will provide a functional solution equal to the original concept, but a better quality solution for a number of reasons. It maximizes mainline SR 826 shoulder widths for use in emergencies and for maintenance. It provides wider shoulders along 4,816 feet of road. It also enhances emergency accesses, reduces future maintenance of bridge structures, builds today a portion of the ultimate configuration, widening the southbound lanes of the SR 826 bridge over West 84th Street and Northwest 138th Street. Eliminates the entire future elevated viaduct, approximately 1,100 feet of a 3-lane viaduct from the eastbound lanes of the I-75 into the SR 826 southbound ramp. Reduces disruption to the traveling public and businesses. Reduces project cost and expedites schedule, and provides for a more efficient ultimate future final design. ATC number 2 MOT phases. The construction of the new structures needed for the link's new design proposal will be done as shown in the sequence with temporary traffic detours. The flyover bridge will be implemented in 4 construction stages, which will make it possible to maintain at all times the same number of traffic lanes in current service. Phase 1. Construction of a temporary southbound SR 826 to SR 924 ramp. Phase 2. Construction of the 2 northern flyover spans, as well as vertical clearance modifications to the permanent SR 826 to SR 924 ramp. Phase 3. Construction of the flyover's south abutment and 2 southern spans, as well as reconstruction of the southbound lanes of the SR 826 roadway to its final configuration. Phase 4. Construction of the southern bridge approach and completion of the express lane connection flyover. The flyover bridge erection will be done using 2 cranes to lift the steel box girder components. ATC number 6, shoulder optimization along SR 826 at the Metrorail Overpass Bridge. This alternative technical concept proposes to realign the northbound lanes of SR 826 between Station 443 plus 00 and Station 450 plus 50. This alternative will eliminate the bridge widening over Metrorail, along with the associated transit service disruptions and the designed sheet pile wall along the ramp. This realignment will reduce the northbound SR 826 mainline inside shoulder width along a length of approximately 750 feet. This alternative will provide the department with enhanced and consistent shoulder width, while also allowing for cost savings and operational advantages. The Dragados-Lochner Design Build Team will design and construct the new SR 826 I-75 Express Lanes facility that will provide the mobility needs of the South Florida region compatible with the vision statement of the Florida Department of Transportation to connect businesses and people better and more efficiently well into the 21st century. As shown in this video, the members of this design-build team have acquired a deep knowledge of the Florida Department of Transportation's needs for this project and have the first-hand experience as demonstrated in the already successful I-595 Corridor Roadway Improvements project, undertaken with similar complex challenges. The Dragados-Lochner Design-Build team would be proud to be part of the implementation of this important infrastructure project, which will place the City of Miami at the forefront of the toll roadways transportation network in Miami-Dade and Broward counties.